pastimes all the time. Look what happened, thought about it till my mind ran dry. How did I get under my skin? Where do I begin? Please give me a chance to understand myself without any interruption. Please just let me ask, where do I stand when I don't have any instruction? For the first time, all my bloodlines lead me somewhere new. All the creases, broken pieces, show me how I grew. How did I get under my own skin? Where do I begin?